Hey, if you're watching this video right now and you like my content, I know y'all don't watch some of my other videos. I've been checking my stats and it's saying that more people are watching my videos who are not subscribed than the ones who are subscribed. So if you like my content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I post a video, unless YouTube is tripping, because sometimes they be tripping. And also you can follow your girl on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you want to get in shape, I have a second channel called Get Fit with Sin, where I work out Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So check your girl out. It's your girl Sin and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad. Today is going to be a different type of video. I'm going to be unboxing a piece of equipment that you guys have never seen me use. I don't even know how to use it. Okay, so I actually had to get all the information for this piece of equipment from the twins, because I don't know nothing about it, but I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. So if you guys are interested, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take both of the items and put them up on this table right here and see if y'all even got any idea about what I got in these boxes. Alright, so right here I got the two boxes right up here. Actually I'm actually gonna keep one of them and I'm sending the other one back, because it was just too many issues with the mailman delivering stuff on time, so I didn't want to take any chances, so I went ahead and ordered both. Alright, so let me see. The first one up, we're gonna open this one last. Alright, the first one up right here is the Genome, if I'm saying that right, because y'all know your girl is country and she don't always say everything the way that everybody else say it. But right here, Genome, the DC 1050. So we're going to open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Alright, so we got the instructions right here. Y'all know who never reads the instructions, so we don't even need them. And right here, this is, I think this is like the cover for it right there. And let me see, I'm gonna use this other box to prop this up right here a little bit so y'all can see everything. I don't know if y'all over there gonna be able to see it. Let me see. Alright, so it's kind of weird pulling this out like this. Alright. Alright, I'm going to move this box out of the way and sit it on the table. Alright, so this right here, it looks like the foot for the machine right here. And let me see. So those of y'all just like me who don't know what this look like in real life, that's it right there. That's it. Alright, so then we got, I don't know what these things are, but you guess who gonna figure it out. And uh-oh. Y'all, I already broke it. Let me see. See this part? Hopefully I didn't break it. Hopefully it's kind of rattling around and stuff. I hope I didn't break it. Let me see. Okay, I think it can go off and on like that. Let me see. Alright. It's smaller than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be big, like a heat press or something. You know, I'm used to dealing with stuff like heat presses, so I didn't know what to expect. Okay, so this is it right here. Let me turn it around, let y'all check it out all around. Alright, it's got the power switch in the back, the power cable. I just had the power cable over here. And then it's got like a stereo knob. This is how you control the bass right there. No, that's probably not how you control the bass, but I'm gonna figure out what it's for. Alright, so this one is actually a digital machine, and it's got like 50 stitches on it. Those of y'all that know about sewing, y'all probably know what that means. I don't know what it means, but I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, so let me see. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. So this is this one right here. Alright, so this is the first one. I'm actually gonna, I don't know, I don't want to get the parts mixed up because I don't even know what to do with none of this stuff yet. Because for real, y'all, I'm just starting like new. I don't know nothing about none of this stuff. I just decided I wanted to learn how to sew. Actually, I've been wanting to learn how to sew for a few years now. But I don't know, I just never did. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put all this stuff to the side so that I won't get it mixed up, and I'm gonna let y'all check out the other machine, and then I'm gonna compare them. All right, this one right here. This one, it came wrapped in plastic and everything. They really dressed this one up a little bit. Let me get these scissors. The other one, I don't know if somebody took the plastic off because they was like, they don't need the plastic on there or what, but this one still had the plastic on it. Let me see. Alright. They got this thing wrapped up good too. They made sure. For sure, it wasn't gonna be no problem with the plastic. Let me snatch that on off. Alright. Go ahead and take this scissors and slide. Can't cut it on no straight line for some reason. Alright, this is the MOD 50, same brand, you know me, right here. And this one, once again, comes with an instruction book, and it comes with the soft cover. So I'm going to turn it around this way. Go ahead and pull it out. Get off box. Phone. Alright, so this is the foot for this one. I'm not going to open that up because what is the phone at? I don't even know where the phone is. Alright, so this is some of the parts to it, and I really can't tell you what they are because honestly I don't know. Alright, so go ahead and take that off. And as you see, this one is a lot more colorful than the other one. Let me go ahead and slide that out. As you see right here, the MOD 50 right here, you can check it out. It's got a lot more color to it. Alright. Then it's got that bass knob on the back too. You can pump the bass up with it. It looked like it got lit. I don't know if the other one had that. We about to see though. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. Move all this stuff out the way that I don't know what it is yet. But as soon as I find out, I'm going to let y'all know. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the other machine. Put them up here side by side. And I'm gonna see. Let me see if I can get in the frame. I don't even know which one. I know which one I should keep because if y'all knew the prices, y'all know your girl. Y'all know which one she gonna keep if y'all know the prices. Alright, so I'm gonna turn them this way, I guess. See that handle, it'll stand up on its own. With this one, no, that one, this handle, that's the first thing I'm noticing. Because y'all see just how much I know about these things. The first thing I'm noticing is the handle. That handle don't want to stand up by itself. It wants to lay down. Alright, so this one also got 50 stitches on it. Whatever that means, that's what the twins told me. So I'm just gonna go with what they say because I don't know. But right here, y'all can see the difference in them, I guess. I don't even know. I don't even know. I can't even do a review video or nothing, y'all. I'm basically just showing y'all the machines and letting y'all see which one I am deciding to keep. It's a few differences in them. Like right here, this one, the little screen is right here in the center. It's more towards the back on that one. Let me see. That's the same. All of that's the same. But this one got up and down buttons. This one don't have the up and down buttons. Not that I know what they for or nothing, like I said earlier, but we gonna figure it out. So yeah, so I don't know. Really, I want to keep this one right here because the price was a good little bit less. But this one do have those buttons right there, and it do hold a handle up by itself. I don't know. So we gonna see. Y'all get to see in future videos which one I decide to keep. But both of them, I don't think you can go wrong with either of them because they made by one of the top companies, and the twins told me to get them. So I'm gonna go with that. All right, so I'm just noticing a couple of other things too. Let me see. Oh, both of them got that. Yeah, but I don't know a whole lot about this thing, y'all. But y'all gonna be on this sewing journey with me. So if y'all interested, stay tuned and make sure y'all subscribe and follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And also, if you're interested in working out, you can work out with your girl in the mornings at 8:30 Central Time, 9:30 Eastern Time, 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. in Cali. So if y'all want to work out with me, y'all can work out with me on the Get Fit with Sin channel. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in another video. Prince Squad out. Any idea about what I got in these boxes right here? Alright, so right here, 2 boxes straight from Amazon. Let me clean my couch off and redo this. Hold on. I got stuff on my couch. Okay, is that good enough? Nope. Let me take these curtain rods in the way. Phone. Alright, so this is the foot for this one. I'm not going to open that up because where is the phone at? I don't even know where the phone is. Alright, y'all hear my phone just going off, interrupting everything. Hopefully I won't get any more messages, but this is some of the parts to it. I can't really tell you what it is right now because honestly I don't know. Alright.